Hello, and welcome to Easy English Tube. My name is Anna, and this is your place to learn easy English step by step.
Hi, Anna. Hi, everyone.
We speak slowly. We use easy words.
You can understand. You can learn English with us.
Before we start, please subscribe to this channel. Click on subscribe.
Yes, please subscribe. It helps the channel. And you get more Easy English Tube lessons.
Great! Now let's begin.
Mark, tell us about your family.
I have one brother and one sister. My father is a driver. My mother is a nurse.
Good. Listener, your turn. Say one sentence. My mother is a, or my father is a. Very good. Today we talk about food, drinks, and going to a cafe or restaurant.
Nice. I'm hungry already.
Me too.
First, some food words. You know some already. Listen. Bread,
bread,
rice,
rice,
soup,
soup,
salad,
salad,
chicken,
chicken,
pizza,
pizza,
sandwich,
sandwich,
fries.
fries,
Now some drinks. Water,
water,
tea,
tea,
coffee,
coffee,
juice,
juice,
cola.
cola,
Listener, say some with us. Bread, rice, soup, salad, chicken,
pizza, sandwich, fries,
water, tea, coffee.
juice, cola.
Very good. Now we talk about likes. What you like, what you don't like. Listen. I like pizza.
I like pizza.
I like salad.
I like salad.
I don't like soup.
I don't like soup.
I like coffee.
I don't like cola.
Listener, your turn. Say one sentence. I like. Choose one food or drink. Good. Now say, I don't like. Choose another food or drink. Nice. Now we ask questions. Mark, do you like pizza?
Yes, I do. I like pizza.
Do you like soup?
No, I don't. I don't like soup.
Listener, I ask you now. Do you like coffee? Answer, yes, I do, or no, I don't. Now, imagine we are in a cafe, a small, nice cafe.
I can see a table, chairs, coffee, cake.
Yes, very nice. Some useful words. Menu,
Menu.
waiter, man who works in cafe.
Waiter.
Bill, the paper with the price.
Bill.
Table,
Table.
a cup of coffee.
A cup of coffee.
A glass of water.
A glass of water.
A piece of cake.
A piece of cake.
Listener, repeat. Menu, waiter, bill, table.
A cup of coffee. A glass of water. A piece of cake.
Very good. Now, imagine we are in a cafe, a small, nice cafe.
I can see a table, chairs, coffee, cake.
Yes, very nice. Some useful words. Menu,
Menu.
waiter, man who works in cafe.
Waiter.
Bill, the paper with the price.
Bill.
Table,
Table.
a cup of coffee.
A cup of coffee.
A glass of water.
A glass of water.
A piece of cake.
A piece of cake.
Listener, repeat. Menu, waiter, bill, table.
A cup of coffee. A glass of water. A piece of cake.
Very good. Now, very important sentences for a cafe. Can I have, please?
Can I have, please?
I'd like equals I would like.
I'd like, please.
For example, can I have a coffee, please?
Can I have a pizza, please?
I'd like a tea, please.
I'd like a sandwich, please.
Listener, your turn. Say, can I have a coffee, please? Now say, I'd like a sandwich, please. Very good. Now we make a small cafe dialogue. I am the waiter. Mark is the customer. Hello, welcome. Here is the menu.
Thank you.
What would you like?
I'd like a coffee and a piece of cake, please.
A coffee and a piece of cake. Anything else?
Yes, a glass of water, please.
Okay, 1 coffee, 1 piece of cake, and 1 glass of water.
Yes, thank you.
Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Later, would you like the bill?
Yes, please.
Here is your bill. It is $10.
Okay, here you are.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Listener, now we practice some sentences from the dialogue. What would you like?
I'd like a coffee, please.
Anything else?
Yes, a piece of cake, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Listener, repeat after us. What would you like?
I'd like a coffee, please.
Anything else?
Yes, a piece of cake, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Very good. Now, listener, you are in the cafe. I am the waiter. You are the customer. Hello. Welcome to Easy English Cafe. What would you like? Good. Now I ask, anything else? Nice. Now I say, here you are. You say, thank you. I say, you're welcome. Great! Now, we use prices again. The coffee is $3.
The cake is $4.
The sandwich is $5.
The juice is $2.
Listener, repeat. The coffee is $3.
The cake is $4.
The sandwich is $5.
The juice is $2.
Now, a small question. Mark, how much is the coffee?
It is $3.
How much is the cake?
It is $4.
Listener, I ask you, how much is the sandwich? Say, it is $5. Very good. Now, listen to a small story. Mark goes to a cafe.
Okay, my story. On Saturday morning, I go to a cafe. The cafe is near my house. I sit at a small table. The waiter gives me the menu. I say, "Can I have a coffee and a sandwich, please?" The waiter says, "Anything else?" I say, "Yes, a glass of water, please." I drink my coffee. I eat my sandwich. I am happy. The waiter says, "Would you like the bill?" I say, "Yes, please." The bill is $8. I paid the bill. I say, "Thank you." The waiter says, "You're welcome. Have a nice day."
Nice, simple story. Listener, let's check some things. What does Mark order? Coffee and a sandwich. And a glass of.
A glass of water.
How much is the bill?
$8.
Is Mark happy?
Yes, he is happy.
Listener, repeat one sentence. Can I have a coffee and a sandwich, please? Very good. Now it's your turn. Imagine you are in a cafe. Think of 3 things you order. For example, coffee, cake, water. Make a small story. For example, I go to a cafe. I say, "Can I have a tea and a piece of cake, please?" I drink my tea. I eat my cake. I pay the bill. I say, "Thank you." Now you make your story. Say 4 or 5 sentences.
You can pause the audio and speak.
Very nice. Let's review together. Food and drinks.
Bread, rice, soup, salad, chicken, pizza, sandwich, fries, water, tea, coffee, juice, cola.
Likes and dislikes.
I like pizza. I don't like soup. Do you like coffee?
Cafe words.
Menu, waiter, bill, table. A cup of coffee, a glass of water, a piece of cake.
Important sentences.
Can I have a coffee, please? I'd like a sandwich, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You did a great job today. You can now talk in a cafe in simple English.
You can listen again. You can pause and repeat with us.
And please subscribe to Easy English Tube. When you subscribe, you get more easy lessons.
Yes, and like the video too.
Thank you for learning with us today.
You did a very good job.
See you next time on Easy English Tube.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.